Alright everyone, so I haven't said before, but I am in my new house right now. Custom built. I'm just gonna tour it, I guess is what I'd say. Just the downstairs. I wanna go upstairs or tour the upstairs. It's a fridge. And then you can separate this. I don't know how to do it, but you can separate these. By pulling this in a certain way, you can separate this door. Yeah, there we go. So if you need to get something down here and you can't get it out through there, you can do that. Here's the other side of the fridge. Second section. Freezer down below. Water. Microwave. Awesome. Oven. Stove. Sink. Dishwasher. Windows. These interesting lights. Ceiling fan number 1. Ceiling fan number 2. Stair light. Second fridge. Mini fridge. Cabinet that didn't come with it. We got that. This really strange light. Let's turn it on. Oh dang. That is some serious stuff right there. Bathroom. Shower. There's 3 showers here. Brought the Miele U1 Maverick. Stairs. As I said, I'm gonna go upstairs. Again, that's the downstairs tour. Garage is pretty simple. Close this partially. Right here. Huge amount of storage. That even goes under there. Floors made from porcelain, wood look, and my very fluffy carpet. So I'm going to test out this Miele U1 Maverick. Give these carpets a really good cleaning. They vacuum. Glides over. I just heard something go in. I can hear something already. There's something wrapped in the brush roll. Yep. Twisty tie. Someone didn't vacuum that up. Looks like someone didn't vacuum well. Lots of agitation. I can hear stuff getting picked up into the bin. You can see the difference in fluffiness from where the Miele is clean. I can hear tons of particulates of dirt. It's going to enter it within. Or the bag, I can hear that. It's gliding over this carpet super easily. Maximum suction power. Easy gliding. No problem at all. Goes over these carpets with ease. There went a big spot of something. You see groom lines from them. But you can see the groom lines left in this Miele are much better. There went something. So look at the difference in the softness there to there. Autofocus is on now. It got turned off somehow. A serious cleaning. You can feel the ceiling fan's airflow. Just keep it nice and cool down here. Feel for it. There's lots of agitation on this carpet. This carpet is beautiful. It's soft and fluffy. It's like walking on a cloud. And this Miele is going to be perfect for giving these carpets an extra deep down clean. The ceiling fan is very powerful, and so is this vacuum. Super easy to steer. There was something. Listen to that. Whatever vacuum they use, it can't edge clean very well. I have no idea what vacuum they use. Check the bag quickly after this, and then we will finish up. Going a full edge clean. Clean along the edge where carpet meets floor. Allow this machine to pick up as much dirt as possible. There was something. There went something. There's that freaking twist tie that somehow their vacuum missed. Or that was there after. I just heard something go up. Just find which direction is this carpet set at. Like which direction fluffs the most. Alright, this way. So look, you can see the groom lines in the carpet. lots of particulates from construction. Brush roll and vacuum motor are at full speed for the deepest clean. Really quiet machine. Let's back up a little bit. I'm not going to be using the Dysons on this place. This carpet is too good. And the Dysons are carpet destroying machines. They're too aggressive, the brush rolls. Yeah, they may have insane agitation, but that agitation is too much and will damage such beautiful, soft carpet such as this. This is decently well this way too. We'll go like this now. It feels like there's something under it right here. You know. That's it. For now. Let's see what we picked up. Oh, goody. I can just feel sand. It doesn't feel too bad, but there's definitely some, look at that. This is a brand new clean bag. It's just lots of fine particulates that were in the carpeting. Put the bag in place.